Well, Jay, a tough night to end what's been a tough week for Wales. As a team, as players, how are you feeling? Not just after the game, but after this week as a whole.
Yeah, disappointed. Obviously, just coming off that game there. That's not like us at all. When you think of how we play, how well defensively we are together as a team, it's just too easy to score goals against us, to be honest.
Yeah, you say it's not what we're used to seeing. Why do you think that is? Can you put your finger on exactly perhaps what hasn't clicked this week, given, I think we all needed a bit of feel-good factor after the disappointment in recent months?
Yeah, to be honest, can't really put my finger on it, if I'm honest. The week's been good. The boys, their work ethic, we train well, we're together. I just think tonight just literally one of those days. Things just didn't drop for us, just didn't go our way.
There seems to be a bit of a lack of cohesion at the moment. I know it's fair to say, obviously, a lot of new faces. The word transition has been mentioned so many times. Has it been harder than you perhaps thought it would be to gel as a team, if that makes sense?
Maybe a little bit. I'm still one of the new players, to be honest. So, yeah, I'm still trying to get in and play well and fit in with the team. So, yeah, for me, it was just about getting in, trying to do well and help the team as much as I can. Unfortunately, we didn't get the results that we wanted this week, but I think it's just another step in the right direction to it all coming together.
Yeah, on a personal level, 2 starts for you this week. Just how much has that meant to you?
Oh, massive. Honestly, it's such an honour. It's just a great feeling to represent your country. So, yeah, I'm just grateful.
And finally, if I could just ask about the fans at the end, there seemed to be a bit of tension, a bit of frustration. What would your message be to the Wales fans, Joe?
Well, we know how good the fans are. They're with us all the time, every step of the way. It's understandable being frustrated. Obviously, what happened, just missing out on the Euros. And this week, if we're honest, we haven't been good enough. If we're honest, so you can understand frustration. That's football. If you don't play well, you get criticised. But we know how much they mean to us and how much they're with us every step of the way. So we know everything will turn around as long as we stick together.
Jay, appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.